Called over there?
Oakland.
Oakland Coliseum?
Yeah.
Fuck you. Okay, we're here at Precision Truck School. And there's the Big Daddy Raj himself. Proud owner of this company.
What video is that?
What's that?
Is that Blair's video?
Yeah. And Blair's gonna be learning his new first lesson today in driving truck. And we'll take a nice little spin over this way. Check out the new Big Daddy's 1991 Ford Explorer.
No?
There's a nice Volvo, 250,000 miles on it. There's a little Ford Explorer. If you want to watch this, if you're seeing this, Todd, check this thing out, man. Not too bad for a Ford. There's my little beast, my little Toyota Corolla, and a little gray ship box. We got Blair here. Everybody be watching out there. There in 10 minutes. There's the Big Daddy Raj. We're out here in Oakland, California. He's chaining up. We need change around here, as you can notice. Everything's chained. We're about
Is this Oakland?
We're about 5 minutes. So you think you got it in 10 minutes, huh?
Probably a little longer.
Okay.
I think it'll take me about, probably about 15 minutes to figure out the controls once I get that piece of cake.
Well, let's go and take a walk over here and see what the Big Daddy Raj has got going.
Looks to me like he's ready to pull a whole shot.
He's doing a disconnect.
Yeah.
No, he ain't got the land gear down. Look how big he sits in that truck, man.
Is that got audio on it too?
Oh yeah.